Hey, what's happening, everybody? Tomcat71 back here at you. Just made a startling discovery on this truck. You're not going to believe it, but when I turn the key on, the fuel pump actually comes on. See if you can hear it. Comes on for a minute, and then it stops, just like it's supposed to. I'm wondering if the sumbitch is completely empty. That would be amazing if the tank was empty and I wouldn't have to put a fuel pump in it right away, because I'm really not wanting to do this job. But I'm on the fence. I don't know whether I'm going to change it or whether I'm going to try to put some gas in it. I'm going to double check the gauge, because when I got in it and tried and was starting it the other day, it said that it had 1/4 of a tank of fuel in it. So we'll see.
What the fuck is this thing? All of the windshield, for fuck's sake. Oh, fuck. What the fuck did I say? That didn't sound for shit, did it? Trying to give these guys everything they can get to me. That's it. Fuck it.
Well, boys, we got her out. I had to stop filming because you guys couldn't see nothing of what the fuck I was doing. And there's 1,500 videos of people taking tanks out of these S10s online. So it ain't like you needed a tutorial, but as I suspected, once I heard the fuel pump running, but I wasn't getting anything, I had this problem on an old Cavalier that I bought one time. But the hose going from the fuel pump to the sender is just, it's like one step away from gelatin.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that, Private Pile?
Sir, jelly donuts, sir!
A jelly donut?
And it's got this big old split in it, so of course it wasn't pumping no fuel up through the line. It was all just going right back into the tank. But yeah, she had a little bit left in her, and it didn't age well. Ugh. 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 So yeah, even though this pump worked and it was probably building pressure, but it was just spewing it all out of this. I mean, this is just, I mean, you just move it and it's, ugh. Ugh, yeah. Yeah, just take it all in. Oh, it's like, oh, that's just nasty. But yeah, I had a problem. The Cavalier ran. I drove it all the way back from Norfolk to Richmond. It was a 5-speed Cavalier wagon. I used to have a video of it on here on YouTube, but either I deleted it or... No, I think it got gone when YouTube deleted my shit for me. But it had the same thing. It ran and it drove, but when you would get on it, it would stumble like it was lean. And it had a big old split right here between the pump and the hanger. So I fixed that on it. I pulled the tank off it and fixed it, and it ran like a champ after that. But we got a whole new tank. The tank really ain't in bad shape. If you guys can see down in there. Focus, you fuck. Oh, I touched it. I got the poo on me. She's got some debris down there in the tray. I haven't looked all the way deep inside of it yet with the flashlight, so that's what was wrong with it. Even though the pump ran, it wasn't building no pressure. I thought we could get lucky, but I figured after putting about 1 gallon in it and seeing that it wasn't moving any fluid, I just left. I just figured we'd just change the tank, so that's what we do. I got the new one sitting right there. The guard is dogging it. The guard is dogging it. The dog is guarding it, making sure nobody steals it. And I've got a guy coming, bringing me a Power Tracks Lock-Right differential drop-in locker, 26 spline.